Thank you for calling Abrigos. This is James. How may I help you?
I would like to make a table reservation, please.
Certainly. Who am I speaking to?
Mr. John Dexter Fernandez.
May I spell out your name? Juliet, Oscar, Hotel, November, Delta, Echo, X-Ray, Tango, Echo, Romeo, Foxtrot, Echo, Romeo, November, Alpha, November, Delta, Echo, Zulu. Did I get your name correct, sir?
Yes.
May I know your contact details, sir?
Sir 951-64-80-486.
Thank you, sir. Mr. John Dexter Fernandez, should I make your reservation under your name?
Yes, please.
When do you want your reservation, sir?
Today,
For how many people, sir?
for 2 persons.
What time do you want your reservation is?
On 6 p.m.
For smoking or non-smoking area?
Non-smoking area, please.
May I repeat your table reservation?
Yes, please.
You have your table reservation at 6 p.m. today, May 27, 2024, for 2 persons only in the non-smoking area. Under your name, Mr. John Dexter Fernandez, with a contact number of 095164-80486. Is that correct, sir?
Yes.
Is there anything would you like to request, sir?
None.
Mr. Fernandez, thank you for patronizing Abrigos Restaurant. We're looking forward to welcoming you.
Thanks.
Thank you for this day I live in. Constant learnings to keep me thriving. For challenge